गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
जगन्नाथ मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरुः मम आत्मा सर्वभूतात्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। यस्य देवे परा भक्ति यथा देवे तथा गुरौ तस्यैते कथिता ह्यर्थाः प्रकाशन्ते महात्मनः।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं, थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे।
Good morning to all my teachers and my dear friends. Today we all are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. It's a day filled with joy, love and excitement. And as a student I can tell that we really look forward to celebrate it every year. To tell our teachers why and how they are so special to us. Celebrating Teachers' Day in the school is one of the best moments, and we want this tradition to go on and on forever like this. Every day our teachers do really work hard for us, and we want this time, this hour, this moment to pay homage to our teachers, because they deserve the utmost love and respect from us. We pull pranks and play our tidbits, but our teachers are so nice that they just embrace it. And I really want to say to all our teachers that we really do love and respect you from the bottom of our heart and soul. Stay well, stay happy, stay healthy. Happy Teachers' Day!
We love you, teachers. We praise you, teachers. We thank you, teachers.
every year on the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a teacher, first Vice President of India and second President of India. On this day, we are thankful to our teachers for their struggle to teach us our lessons and manners and pay homage to Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you and have a nice day ahead and a very good Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers.
Happy Teacher Day, Miss!
I am Harika Madhuri of KG1. I reciting A chubby chicks, dimple chin, rosy lipped, teeth with curly hair, very fair. Eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet is that you.
With due respect to all the teachers, I am Abhiksha Paul. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September every year, which also marks the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Parents are our first teachers. We then meet new teachers at our school. My school teachers are always helpful and understanding. I admire, idolize, and respect all my teachers with lots of love. I wish them
My name is Avir Saha. I read in class 3B. Happy Teachers' Day to all of my teachers.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ananya Mishra from class 6A and today that is Teachers' Day. I want to give a short speech on Teachers' Day. Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September 2020, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
I am Umchuman Ghosh. Happy Teachers' Day.
All my teachers.
All my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. All my teachers. Umchuman Ghosh. Ha ha ha. Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning, teachers. And good morning to all of my lovely friends. I am Oranjit Biswas and I read in KG2. Today, I want to say thank you to all of my respectable teachers. Teachers, you always shown us the right way. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us today. Happy Teachers Day.
Wishing all my teachers a happy Teachers Day. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put into make me better in life. Thank you for being my guide and teaching me. Happy Teachers Day to all.
দেখো আলো আলো আকাশ, দেখো আকাশ তারায় ভরা, দেখো যাওয়ার পথের পাশে ছোটে হাওয়া পাগল পারা, এত আনন্দ আয়োজন সবই বৃথা আমায় ছাড়া, ভরে থাকুক আমার মুঠো, দুই চোখে থাকুক ধারা, এলো সময় রাজার মতো, হলো কাজের হিসেব সারা।
আমি দীপাবলি, ক্লাস 11-এর ছাত্র। আজ সকলের সামনে আমার উপস্থাপন কবি সুবোধ সরকারের লেখা ঘুষ। রবীন্দ্র রচনাবলীর নবম খণ্ড দিয়ে চাপা দেওয়া একটা সুইসাইড নোট, ছেলেকে লেখা। লিখে হাতে ব্লেড নিয়ে বাথরুমে ঢুকেছিলেন মাস্টার মশাই। দুপুরবেলা কাজের লোক দরজা তলা দিয়ে রক্ত আসছে দেখে চিৎকার করে ওঠে। ছেলেকে লেখাই তার প্রথম এবং শেষ চিঠি। অরণি, আমি বিশ্বাস করি সন্তান পবিত্র জলের মতো। যদিও তোমার সঙ্গে আমার সম্পর্ক ভালো নয়, তবু তোমাকেই লিখে রেখে যাই। গত 2 বছর তোমার মায়ের চিকিৎসা বাবদ আমার যত সামান্য সঞ্চয় আপাতত নিঃশেষিত। চিকিৎসার ব্যয়ভার আমি আর নিতে পারছিলাম না। জীবনে তোমার টাকা ছুঁইনি, মরেও ছোব না। আমি আজীবন ছাত্র পড়িয়েছি, কেন তো কোনো অন্যায় করিনি। গত মাসে আমার স্কুলে এক অভিভাবক এসে ঝুলাঝুলি করে তার ছেলেকে নেবার জন্য। আমি প্রথম দিন ফিরিয়ে দিই, দ্বিতীয় দিন ফিরিয়ে দিই, তৃতীয় দিন পারি। তিনি আমাকে একটা বড় খামে 30,000 টাকা দিয়ে চলে যান। সেই টাকায় এই মাসে তোমার মায়ের চিকিৎসা চলছে। জানি না তিনি বাড়ি ফিরবেন কিনা কোনোদিন। ফিরলে বলো, পৃথিবীতে আমার বেঁচে থাকার অধিকার চলে গেছে। ইতি বাবা। যখন সারাটা দেশ দাঁড়িয়ে আছে টাকার উপর, তখন রবীন্দ্র রচনাগুলি দিয়ে চাপা দেওয়া একটা সুইসাইড নোট। হাসপাতালে গাছের তলায় গাছ ছমছম করছিল। এগিয়ে গেলাম সাদা কাপড়ে ঢাকা মাস্টার মশাইয়ের দিকে, একটু বেরিয়ে থাকা পা দুটোর দিকে। ওই একটু বেরিয়ে থাকা পা দুটো যেন ভারতবর্ষের শেষ মাটি।
Teacher Day. Good morning. Teddy bear. Around. Teddy bear. That's the gown. Teddy bear. Police you choose. Teddy bear.
Thank you, teacher. I love you. You were so nice. You were so kind. You are the best. I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you, teacher. I love you. You were so high. Make us so good. Remember you. I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you, teacher.
छुरी बातों की कहानी।
The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, your hope and energy to live is our teacher. Let us celebrate each day to honor the gifted souls who work for our future. Symbol of love, compassion and sympathy make us happier. On this auspicious occasion, the day filled with lots of joy and bills. Wish you all Happy Teachers Day. Beyond all fear.
सीने पे से उड़ने लगा आंचल, मुझसे नैना
হ্যাপি টিচার্স ডে।
নমস্কার। কবি সুনির্মল চক্রবর্তীর কবিতা সারাদিন। সারাদিন ভালো লাগে নানা ছবি আঁকতে, খাতার পাতায় চাই মনখানা রাখতে। হিজিবিজি ভাবনারা মনে আসে যখনই, ছবি হয়ে খাতাটায় রয়ে যায় তখনই। হাতি, ঘোড়া, গাছ, পাখি আঁকি আমি কত কি। কেন আঁকি এইসব আমি জানি অত কি। এত সব আঁকি তবু মন ভরে যায় না। আসলে এ খাতা ছেড়ে মন যেতে চায় না। নমস্কার।
तू ही तो जन्नत मेरी, तू ही मेरा जुनून, तू ही तो मन्नत मेरी, तू ही रूह का सुकून, तू ही अखियों की ठंडक, तू ही दिल की है दस्तक। और कुछ ना जानू मैं, बस इतना ही जानू, कुछ भी रब देखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। कुछ भी रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। सजदे सर झुकता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं। कुछ भी रब दिखता है यारा, मैं क्या करूं।
Happy Teacher's Day. Good morning. Happy Teacher's Day. Oh teacher, we love you. We can. Happy Teacher's Day, Miss. Meet Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day.
All of my teachers, happy Teachers Day.
Good morning, teachers. I am Lasif Mudak from Standard 2B. I want to wish a very happy Teachers Day to all of my respected teachers.
I am Isha Rai. I went to St. Mary English School in KG2. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September. 5th September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was also a great teacher. My teachers, Anamis, Ankuramis and Priyamis, teach us very carefully. I always love and respect them. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Rishita Biswas from class 5B and today I am going to recite a poem, The Months, written by Christina Rossetti. January cold desolate, February all dripping wet, March wind ranges, April changes. Birds sing in tune to flowers of May, and sunny June brings longest day. In scorched July, the storm clouds fly, lightning torn, August bears corn. September fruit, in rough October, earth must disrobe her. Stars fall and shoot in keen November, and night is long and cold is strong in bleak December. Thank you.
Good morning, my principal. Good morning, my teacher.
I am Riya Prasad from class 2B. Now I am going to sing a song on the occasion of Teacher Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift and God. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift and God. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. I love you, my teacher. I praise you, my teacher. I thank you, my teacher, for everything. I love you, my teacher. I praise you, my teacher. I thank you, my teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day, Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you, Miss and Principal.
Happy Teachers Day, Miss.
My name is Shantika Sarkar. Happy Teachers Day. All of ma'am, I said.
My dear all miss, thank you for making us what we are today, and thank you for helping us to grow. Happy Teachers Day.
Good morning to one and all. This is Shreya, and today I am going to present a speech for Teachers Day. So, Teachers Day is an auspicious occasion where we can acknowledge our teachers for their hard work. Teachers guide and shape the students for their destiny. Teachers are the molds of the students for their successful career. Teachers are the pillars for a country. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. S. Radhakrishnan was himself a teacher, philosopher and educationalist. I place my teacher next to God. I take the privilege to wish all my teachers Happy Teachers Day. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
I am making a card of the Teachers Day for our teachers.
suggested the students to dedicate the day to honor all the teachers because teachers make the future of the country. Since then, we celebrate 5th September as Teachers' Day. So thank you all of my teachers.
अखियां मेरी पूछ रही हैं दिल को, मेरे चैन नहीं है किथे लड़ाइयां तो अखियां किथे लड़ाइयां कैसे तुझको मैं बताऊं राहें तेरी तकती जाऊं नींदा चुराइयां तू मेरी नींदा चुराइयां वे।
धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना। धड़कन ये कहती है दिल तेरे बिन धड़के ना, एक तू ही यार मेरा मुझको क्या दुनिया से लेना।
This is Vanitisha Bakji and today I am going to tell a speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September and it is marked by the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, he was a great scholar and excellent teacher. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give a birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every steps to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. Their contribution is not only limited to schools, but it extends to society and country. Thank you and have a nice day ahead. Enjoy Teachers' Day.
অচিনা পৃথিবী চিনেছি তোমার হাতটি ধরে
name is Ujkal Biswas. I read in class 2. 6 September is celebrated as Teacher's Day. A teacher should have a special place in every child's heart. I just want to thank all my teachers for helping me to grow.
All of my favorite teachers.
I study KG1. I present about Dear Teacher Day. Dear teacher, thank you for being inspiration to us, to the world. You are just a teacher, but for us you are inspiration. I read in class 2. My name is Shamridhu Bhumi. So start.
beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teachers.
Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor all the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us.
The idea and thought that one day each one of us will use it to provide back into this society.
Ideas and thoughts that one day all of us will use to provide back to this society.
To you for your dynamic support and selfless service. So I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.
Happy Teachers' Day.